Did you know that Vietnam has one of the fastest growing arms industries in Southeast Asia? The STV 380 rifle is just one example of how they're modernizing their military capabilities. Vietnam has recently made a surprising decision to adopt the STV 380 rifle, a move that has left many military enthusiasts and analysts scratching their heads. What's so significant about this rifle, and why did Vietnam decide to go for it? When it comes to national security and defense capabilities, Vietnam faces a multitude of challenges. Geographically, the country is situated in a highly volatile region, with China to the north and several other powerful nations nearby. This strategic location makes it imperative for Vietnam to maintain a strong military deterrent. Furthermore, the rise of China as a regional power has increased the pressure on Vietnam to upgrade its military capabilities. China's military expansion in the South China Sea has created a sense of urgency among Southeast Asian nations, including Vietnam, to strengthen their defense capabilities. In recent years, Vietnam has made an effort to modernize its military, but progress has been slow. However, decades of underinvestment and a limited defense budget have made it difficult for the military to invest in new technology and equipment, resulting in the country's armed forces falling behind its regional peers. This has created a significant gap in its defense capabilities, making it difficult for Vietnam to maintain its sovereignty and territorial integrity. Despite these challenges, the Vietnamese government has demonstrated a commitment to strengthening its military, recognizing its critical role in maintaining national sovereignty and security. In this context, the adoption of the STV 380 rifle is a significant development. So, what makes this rifle so special, and how does it differ from previous models? Developed by Vietnam's Z111 factory, the STV 380 rifle is a cutting-edge 7.62 by 51 mm caliber weapon designed to meet the needs of modern warfare. Compared to the previous AKM rifle, the new STV 380 rifle offers a number of significant advantages. It's more compact, making it easier to carry and maneuver in tight spaces. It's also more accurate and reliable, with a longer effective range and fewer malfunctions. But what really sets the STV 380 apart is its compatibility with modern accessories and attachments. The rifle boasts a range of advanced features, including a modular design, ergonomic grip, and integrated Picatinny rail. It can be equipped with advanced optics, grenade launchers, and other high-tech equipment, such as night vision optics for night fighting, making it a highly effective weapon on today's battlefield. In comparison to other rifles used by modern militaries, the STV 380 holds its own, offering a unique combination of firepower, accuracy, and portability. While it may not have the same level of advanced technology as some Western-made rifles, it is a highly capable weapon that is well suited to Vietnam's military needs. Moreover, the fact that it was developed domestically is a significant achievement for Vietnam's defense industry, demonstrating the country's ability to design and manufacture advanced weaponry. The decision to adopt the STV 380 rifle was likely driven by a combination of factors, including a desire to modernize Vietnam's military capabilities, improve national security, and reduce dependence on foreign arms suppliers. According to military experts, the Vietnamese military has been actively seeking to upgrade its arsenal in recent years, and the STV 380 rifle is seen as a key component of this effort. While the exact details of the decision-making process are not publicly known, it is clear that the adoption of the STV 380 rifle represents a significant milestone in Vietnam's military modernization efforts. With its advanced features, improved capabilities, and domestic production, this rifle is set to play a key role in Vietnam's national security for years to come. By investing in advanced weaponry, Vietnam is signaling its determination to defend its sovereignty and territorial integrity. The move also reflects a growing recognition of the importance of military modernization in the face of evolving regional security threats. As tensions in the South China Sea continue to escalate, the adoption of the STV 380 rifle sends a clear message to Vietnam's neighbors. The country is committed to defending its interests and will spare no effort to maintain its national security. So, what do you think about the STV 380 rifle? Share your opinions in the comments below, and If you're interested in learning how the future Vietnam Infantry Squad will be armed with this new rifle, then you can click on the video to check it out.